Hello again. After working with frames, text layers, and shapes, in this lesson, we'll learn how to scale objects using the scale tool. So let's begin by creating a new frame. Click on the frame tool, click and drag to draw a new frame. Next, let's go to the fill section, hit solid, and let's add an image background to our frame. Click choose image and pick one image from our local folder. Hit open. It's great. Next, let's create a new text layer. So click text layer. Let's put it top of this table. Okay, that's great. So our text is inside the frame. Next, what we want to do is to scale up our frame with its content. So the logical way to do it is to select the frame and pick this bottom corner and drag. Now the problem is that our frame will scale, but its content will not scale. Next, let's, for example, want to select our text layer and scale it independently. Select and pick its corner. And as you can see, it doesn't scale. So this is where the scale tool comes in handy. So let's go to the move tool and hit this arrow and pick the scale tool, or you can use the K keyword, pick the scale tool. Now select our frame and click and drag, and as you can see, our content will scale up and down if we drag. Again, with our text layer, pick and drag, and here as you can see, the text size will grow up or down. Okay, that's everything for this part. In the next lesson, we'll take a look at how to use the component tool. So thanks, and I'll see you in the next lesson.